said they shoot video now. Why which guy? Jesus Christ, blood. This guy don't kill me, guy. Back and Flame, and I'm here with
Barnabas.
Okay, Barnabas. Where are you from?
Benue State.
Okay, I see your dressing is vandalized. Are you a content creator?
Yes.
What kind of content do you do?
Comedy.
Okay, what's your TikTok handle?
Banskido sir.
Yeah, you guys heard it right. So I want to ask you a question real quick. Are you ready? So the question goes like this. What's that?
Where my money, guy?
Guy, how now?
No, it is I no go owe you. All this why just the wrong guy. Shift come.
Jesus.
Shift come. Where
Guy,
my
you
money?
said they shoot video now. Why
Where my
which
money?
guy? Jesus Christ, blood. This guy don't kill me, guy. Jesus. Guy. Guy, calm down now.
Yeah, where my money? Where my money?
Jesus. Guy, calm down now.
Why you carry my money run?
You said they shoot
Video, what cost me video? Cut that thing. What cost me video?
The video, ba.
Guy,
Jesus.
move your mouth for this
No
matter.
face, no face, my bro, no face.
Move his mouth for this matter.
Yeah.
Yeah, cut that.
What?